Hey guys, we have issue token airdrop here. Issue live on CoinMarketCap is currently ranked at 5,175 with about 10,243 users having it on their watch list. So guys, the market data is tracked already, but there are some figures that still needs to be verified. So you can see the price movement for 24-hour volume. You want to check the price for 1 month to see how the price has been doing. So this token, you can also go over to the official website to see more about this project. Most of these are tokens and giveaways. For the ones that are NFT based, they usually own a marketplace on their platform where you can easily sell your tokens once you've gotten them. So it's the first NFT action adventure game in the world, filled with heroic storylines backed with epic and comic. So this is the game trailer. I think this is a play to end game. So you want to check out if it's free. If you're a game lover, you want to check if it's something you might be interested in. So there could be other giveaways here. So we're going to leave that and go back to yes. So if you have any questions on that, you can let us know in the comment section. Here we have historical data, toilets, and more, guys. So as of recording this, an upcoming airdrop is going to be kicking off 7 hours from now. It says an NFT based airdrop. Say each the price pool is at $55,000, the total price pool. So you want to know the value of the NFT. You want to divide this value by the amount of giveaways that are here. So let's say you divide it by about 6. Each of these should be worth about $100 for these NFTs or more. It says the campaign is going to run from 28th to February 11th. So you want to be aware of that. They'll be giving a winning to 600 winners. The issue is in partnership with CoinMarketCap hosting a massive $55,000 airdrop campaign pool. So closing on the release of the alpha game, we're giving prizes to 600 lucky winners. To get your hands on your first warrior NFTs and expand your already existing team. So this is what you need to do. All you need to do is to follow them on this official website, retweet their pin post, join Discord, and more. So for bonus points, you need to subscribe to Issue YouTube channel. Once you're done subscribing, you want to drop your username in your comment section and a short post that says you are here for CoinMarketCap, so you get notice. Please log in my entry. Just subscribe to your YouTube channel from CoinMarketCap Airdrop campaign event. Username, this and everything. So I think that will go longer. You can also drop your BSC wallet address that you submitted here, and also says you need to post your own positive comment about issue. So you need to post your positive comment and tag at least 3 of your friends. But we do recommend that you tag as much as 10 friends or more that are interested in crypto airdrops. So guys, that's that. It's your boy Keys. Peace out. Stay tuned for more. More love, guys.